Well, back with update on this May snowstorms. I'm just gonna say snowstorms because there's multiple of them. But as you can see here, just currently lingering snow showers slash flurries for New York and New England, which should wind down for the most part. Aside from the fact that this is gonna go into that and probably produce some snow, at least in the higher elevations. But nonetheless, try to remove a hair off the thing. It's like, oh my gosh, just go away. But now to winter for accumulations. There is some spots in May that actually got to 18 to 24 inches of snow. But for the most part, it's mostly 1 to 8 inches at most, 12 to 18, some parts of Maine. But yeah. As for this area, not surprised that some of this is getting amplified with lake effect. Parts of this got up to 12 inches of snow. Well, 8 to 12 inches of snow. There's a whole other system up here, and there's a new system down here. Actually leading into parts of Kansas, and, well, it's mostly South Dakota and Nebraska. So, let's actually get to the radar for this one. Yeah, there's a little system there, which will soon go to all rain and just die off. But, yeah, that's a little something there. Not surprised. And other than that, the only thing in the west is a little snow system for Calgary, Alberta. Other than that, it's rain in the southwest, which may lead to flooding, who knows. But for the most part, this actually does seem to be it. So, with that, that is it. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.